We're going to get ready to do this 15 Bowman Chrome for Jumbo for Artchie.
Alright, Dylan, what are you getting ready to do? 15 Bowman Chrome for Artchie?
Yes.
Alright, you can watch us on Breakers, on YouTube. It'll be on our Facebook page. I'm going to our regular website.
Here we go.
Some of it on Instagram also. But this is Dylan's show from here. Make it happen, Dylan.
Alright, here we go, Artchie. 15 Bowman Chrome Jumbo.
Hey, Archie, we appreciate you. As Dylan probably said, we're new into the breaking, so we're trying to do it right. And we appreciate customers like you who are supporting us.
Here we go. 15 Bowman Chrome. First pack for Artchie. Got a Nick Gordon, a Dubo Herrera, Alex Rios, Jock Peterson rookie, an auto of Juan Lopez, first Bowman Chrome auto, Bowman Scouts updates of Forrest Wall, Alex Blandino, Justin O'Connor, Monty Harrison, Matt Chapman, Mitch Keller, Jimmy Rollins, Anthony Ronaldo, and Brian Dozier.
So far, one autograph. He's up for the 2015 Bowman Chrome Jumbo.
There's Nick Gordon. You got Gene Segura, Tim Coney, Lucas Duda, and a refractor auto of Amir Garrett for the Reds.
Is it numbered though?
That is numbered to 499. 499, Amir Garrett. Bowman Top 100, Eric Fetty. He's Ronaldo Lopez, first Bowman. Tony Kemp, first Bowman. Jake Gatewood. Russell Martin. Carlos Santana. And Max Scherzer.
Dylan's breaking a box of 2015 Bowman Chrome for Archie.
Carlos Carrasco. Yanel Escobar. JD Martinez. Ooh, that I believe is a gold Aaron Judge to 50.
Hey now, Neil. How about a bell ring, Neil?
Gold Aaron Judge to 50 for
Nicely
Artchie.
done.
Nice.
Wow.
Very
There's
nice.
got to be some money right there, huh?
Nice.
2015 Bowman Chrome, a number to 50.
Hunter Harvey. Sonny Gray. Alan Hansen. J.D. Davis. Bobby Bradley. Antonio Sensatella. Jason Worth. George Springer. And Roberto Azuna. Nice hit on the Judge.
Dylan, you think there's another good hit in here?
Yeah, I do actually.
Love the hats.
Fernando Rodney, Mike Moustakas, Addison Russell, a refractor of Bobby Wall. That is going to be numbered to 499. Carlos Correa, Joe Panic, Steven Bruno, first Bowman, Franklin Barreto, Juan Wick, J.P. Crawford, Hanley Ramirez, Trevor Rosenthal, and Brandon Phillips.
That's the big hit so far. The Aaron Judge Gold, numbered to 50, out of 2015 Bowman Chrome. That's going to be a good one. Well done, Dylan. Come on, but we're not done. Let's hook Archie up.
Felix Hernandez, Albert Pujols, Tyson Ross, a purple of Grant Holmes. That is going to be numbered to 250.
I'm liking what I see.
Alex Gonzalez, Bowman Scouts. Joe Wendell, Max Fried, Jesse Winker, Kyle Lloyd, Nick Kingman, John Lester, Steven Souza, and Trevor Bauer.
So far, we got a couple of autographs. We got the Judge number to 50 out of 15 Bowman Chrome.
Still should get 2 more autos. Josh Colementer, Hunter Pence, Alex Wood, an auto of Malik Smith. First Bowman Chrome auto of Malik Smith. Reese McGuire, top 100. Jim Muscat, Ahmad Rosario, Lugo, Manuel Margot, Tyler Danish, Santiago, Buster Posey, and Yadier Molina.
There's 2 more autographs left?
Yes.
All right, Archie, we hope you're happy. We think you're doing well so far. We'd love to see another big hit.
Nick Gordon. You got Edison Volquez, Michael Lorenzen, Jason Grilly, a Julio Urias mini, and a purple of Carlos Gonzalez. That is going to be numbered to 250.
Remember, guys, we also broadcast
Eric Jagiello, Pierce Johnson, Zach Ringer, Jeffrey Rodriguez, Carson Smith, Joe Panic, Nick Markakis, and Dustin Ackley.
We also broadcast on Breakers TV, YouTube, and some bonus footage on Instagram.
Nick Gordon, Mikel Franco, Michael Gadier, Neil Walker, Kyle Schwarber, a blue of Nolan Arenado. That is going to be numbered to 150. DJ Peterson, Alex Jackson, Brandon Nimio, Jeff Hoffman, Daniel Gardell, Dustin Pedroia, Lance Lynn, and Addison Reed.
Register at BigLeagueBreaks.com. You can get free stuff and play and pick them every week when big prizes.
Carlos Gonzalez, Yo-Hong Kung, and a purple auto of Pedro Severino. That is going to be numbered to 250.
Nice.
Not bad auto, colored auto. Jesse Winker, Jose Abreu, Kyle Crick, Daniel Robertson, Cody Reed, Spencer Turnbull, Brandon Drury, recently traded Brandon Drury, Pedro Alvarez, Gonzalez, and Jared Weaver.
If you submitted them, I'm sure they're there. We don't look at them all the time, but if it said you submitted them, you're in for next week.
Yordano Ventura, AJ Cole, Jose Fernandez, Bryce Brent's auto for the Red Sox. Not bad. Luke Jackson, Series Next of Masahiro Tanaka, Christian Arroyo, Jake Thompson, Felix Jorge, Ridwell, Spencer Kingboom, Zach Cosart, and Josh Donaldson.
You got to pick all 12 games.
Andrew Miller, Francisco Rodriguez, Koji Urihara, Robert Stevenson, Carlos Rondon, rookie card refractor. That's to $4.99. Justin Steele, Casey Gillespie, Cody, Edwin Diaz, Jameson Talion, Anibal Sanchez, and Hyunjin Ryu, and Dalton Pompey.
I think it was mostly basketball.
Last pack for you,
Call the
Archie.
school if you have questions.
Last pack for you.
Last pack. Is
Here
there
we
another hit
go.
left?
I think we hit all of them, but James Shields, David Robertson, Mitch Moreland, mini of Aaron Judge, another one. Nice.
Got a gold and a regular, huh?
Yep. Shane Green refractor numbered to 499. Chance Cisco, Luis Ortiz, Raul Mondesi, Stephen Piscotty, Coral Palmy, Mark Keana, Nolan Arenado, and Steven Strasburg.
You gonna do a recap?
Just to do a hit recap for you, Archie. You
Archie,
got
thank you very much. I hope you like the box.
a Bryce Brent's auto, a purple auto of Pedro Severino. That was numbered to 250. Malik Smith, first Bowman Chrome auto. Amir Garrett, refractor, first Bowman Chrome auto to 499. And a Juan Lopez auto. And then your hit of the box, mini gold, numbered to 50 of Aaron Judge. Alright, Archie, thank you. We appreciate it. We'll be sending those out to you soon. Thank you for watching.